vloggers. We're gonna be opening packages. Let's go ahead and start. I got me some edge fixer. Really need these for my edges. Thank you. This is my pencil case. Thank you. It's
opening up so they can see it. The edge fixers. A pencil case.
some headphones for my brother. Back to school.
Headphones.
So these is my gray socks, all different colors. Thank you. And then we got some white socks. Really, really, indeed. I think these are undershirts. Undershirts.
Let me open one. Let me open all the box. Oh, these are like the silky material. Hold on, for sure. It's a silky material.
Okay, it is.
You got your school supplies. Are you excited?
Okay, so we got this 12 pack of Sharpies. Sharpies. I cannot speak today. And then we got some black pens. 36 pack of color pencils. 30 glue sticks. Let's call it a pencil sharpener, handheld pencil sharpener. Okay. 18 pack pencils. You want to open it?
Oh, these are the earbuds.
That's for me.
It's like 5 of them in there though.
Open it. It's heavy too.
These are
the books. Yeah.
These are the composition notebooks. I got a couple in there.
Let me get this one.
Oh, these are mine. I got my toilet bowl cleaner, Lysol. Thank you. Yeah, I'll put it back in there. I don't know what that one is. Oh, we got more.
These are mine.
What's that? Oh, so we got more toothpaste. And she got some underwears. I don't know know exactly if this is more like tank. Yeah. Well, no, these are underwears too. These are underwears as well.
We got some lotion.
And some lotion. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
We got one more package. More of the, I think these are the blankets. You got lotion. Ooh, we definitely needed some lotion. Oh, I think this one is still that pillow. Put it back in there. It's called Crading Pillow. That's what it's called?
Mm-hmm.
Nest Breathing Pillow for the bed.
It's the same pillow that we had before.
Yeah.